Hello, we're at Epcot today. This year, Disney decorated the trash cans, some of them, not all of them. Which is funny because they sell salt and pepper shakers that look like the trash cans, but whatever theme the festival's in. So I think it's cute that they made real life size ones. So right here by Creations. And look at that. Oh, they got two. They got an orange bird and a buzz. Or Spike the bee. Let's call him Buzz. How funny. Who would have thought we would be recording a trash can? And here's Spike. I feel like if they were by the food though, people would be fighting to like eat off of it. But that's fun. I think they should do that with all of them, right? I think that would be nice. Alright, so well, since we're here, let's go check out the merchandise. Alright, first up we got the water bottles, corksicle, $55. The mugs. Super cute with a little orange bird on it. And then this is the scavenger hunt that we might do on our next visit. And then once you complete it, you can pick one of these, and they're watering cans. And this is a good way of showing the use for the bag. Fits your corksicle. The shirt, I love it. You know me, guys. My all over print. So good. $34.99. And these are the little salt shakers, $14.99. You see? But they're replicated. And then here's the bag. $89. It's a little different from the normal lounge fly. We have some kids shirts, some garden sticks without the bottle. This shirt. Pants that match that all over print. And then the Spirit jersey. $80. I have a little, I like this statue. It's cute. Sure. Peel and happy. Cute. The ears. I really like these ears, but there are $44.99 lounge fly. We're dead. And then this is super cute. It's a pop plant holder. It's really heavy. And it's only $30, which I think is kind of a steal if you're looking for a souvenir. It's like a 2-for-1. And then we have the ornament. And we have a watering can. Hold off. Because I definitely got these ears on sale during Flower and Garden last year, towards the end of the festival. So they were selling them, I think, 2-for-1. And that's how me and Mom got one. So I'm gonna hold off towards the end to see if they do go on discount again. I also have an Alice in Wonderland, and I love these ears too. So I have the shirt. Cute. I like this bag, $75. It's huge. The strap has flowers. A little cup. A little saucer. The gardening hats. butterfly t-shirt dress, a flower and garden coaster, and maybe butterflies. Yeah, kind of looks like peanut butter and jelly. And then here are the ears. International Flower and Garden Festival 2025. I thought it would say the 30th anniversary as well, but it doesn't. Oh, and the bow is detachable. That's cool. But I think the bow is my favorite part. I like this all over print jacket. Rain jacket. And this is maybe a pot holder as well. Little succulent holder. Trinket tray.
There's your
And a pillow.
bun.
And look, they have like a whole new Epcot set here. Figment, Nemo. That's cool. Shirt. These bags, $65. I like the inside of the hoodie.
I kind of, yeah.
Some hats.
You're like the other one.
Pass holder exclusive. Look at these mugs. That's cool.
Is there official yet?
March keeps giving. Epcot is just busting them out. 30th anniversary. We got Spike the Bee. Here's like a little garden. You can have your own little spike in your garden. Buzzing around. I like this shirt. Since 1948. I like these cups, $34.99. Here are the trash cans that we saw earlier. Like a honey pot. These are cute, but they're very pricey. $65. The shoulder pad. Magnet. You get a little spike. They came out with the purple ones. $89. They had them at the Character Warehouse, the black ones, for $30. So I'm surprised they made more. I have the Tinkerbell collection here. $100. Wow. And it does have the hidden Mickeys. This is really pretty. Look at that. Sparkly. Not the whole set. Alright, that was our time here at Epcot. We got so much done. So many topiaries, food festival food. It was a good time. So I hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe. My name is Stephanie, and thank you for being a part of my world.